Hi boys and girls, this week we are celebrating the letter U. Our story is called Umbrella Bird's Umbrella. If you look on YouTube, there's actually a bird that's called an umbrella bird. So take a look if you like. But for now we're going to read Alpha Tales, Umbrella Bird's Umbrella. Umbrella Bird is unlike any other bird. He has very unusual feathers. The other birds tease Umbrella Bird about his unusual feathers. They think his feathers look like a giant umbrella. "Why is your umbrella up?" the other birds asked Umbrella Bird. "Is it going to rain today?" The teasing makes Umbrella Bird very unhappy. He tries to hide his feathers under a hat, but it's no use. His umbrella always pops up. One day, Umbrella Bird decides to visit his uncle. He hops on his unicycle and pedals uptown. "Look at those ugly feathers!" the other birds call as Umbrella Bird rides by. Umbrella Bird pretends not to hear them. He looks up at the sky and keeps on pedaling. "Oh-oh," says Umbrella Bird. He sees dark clouds way up high in the sky. Suddenly, it begins to pour, but Umbrella Bird notices that he is not getting wet. Umbrella Bird's umbrella is keeping him dry. The other birds look for a dry place. Umbrella Bird calls to them, "Come under my umbrella. It's dry under here." "Quickly, quickly," says Umbrella Bird, as the other birds duck under his feathers. The birds stay under Umbrella Bird's umbrella until the rain stops. All the birds thank Umbrella Bird. "Your wonderful umbrella kept us dry," they say. "We are sorry we upset you with our teasing. We wish we had an umbrella like you." Now Umbrella Bird holds his head up high when he is out riding his unicycle. And sometimes Umbrella Bird even wishes for a little rain. Let's take a look at this page and see how many things we can find that begin with the letter U. I'll wait for a minute while you look around. Did you see the umbrella bird? And the unicycle? And the umbrella? And the other animals are wearing a uniform? And in the background, you'll see a unicorn. Here's our U cheer. U is for Umbrella Bird and an umbrella to share. U is for unicycle and underwear. U is for unicorn, umpire, and us. U is for uncle and uptown bus. Hooray for you, big and small, the most unbelievable letter of all. Well, that's it for this time, friends. Umbrella Bird's umbrella. We have the long U sound, which involves your lips. So you're going from the back of your mouth forward and you make the U sound. Can everyone try that? U. There's also the short U sound, which is in the back of your throat. It is an sound. So your mouth is open and you're making this sound in your throat. If you notice on our sign language chart, the letter U is like the peace sign, but you have the top together. It's like two fingers up for the letter U. My son Devin again will be joining us. This is an echo song, so when I say the beginning of the verse, Devin will be echoing, so you can join him. But first we'll start with the long U sound song. So Hudson's gonna press that button. Get your sign ready.
When letter U is long, it says its name, U, U. When letter U is long, it says its name, U, U. When letter U is long, it says its name, I'll grab it strong. When letter U is long, it says its name, U, U. When letter U is long,
underwear.
Short letter U says
Short letter U says like uncle's underwear. So this song is an echo song, so you can just follow along. Devin's going to be joining me, and he'll be doing the echo, and I'll be doing the beginning of the verse. So let's give it a try.
My uncle lost
His underwear.
his underwear.
My uncle says
He doesn't care.
he doesn't care.
My uncle lost his underwear.